Confined by police, Marcoleta posts FB message. Ayan, nakapag-post pa sa FB no? Ito ba yung article ng Inquirer.net mga kaibigan. Senator Rolante Marcoleta urged his supporters to continue fighting for transparency, accountability, justice, and democracy. Marcoleta, who is confirmed by the Philippine National Police General Hospital in Camp Crame, made his call to my beloved countrymen. Yung sound effects. In a statement posted on his Facebook account on July 11, so nag-post siya nung Sabado. The senator was arrested on July 6 for the non-bailable charge of plunder in connection with an undeclared 75 million campaign contribution. But he has been under medical observation due to hypertension and other health issues. So, ayun, nagkasakit dahil nakulong. Ang lakas-lakas niya nung nagrarally sila. Bigla nagkasakit. Anyway, ito ang sabi niya in Filipino pero English nung nakasulat sa article. Even if we separated for now, we will continue our collective expression to the whole world that we may achieve our long-standing goal of transparency, accountability, justice, and democracy. Yan ay sinabi niya in Filipino nga mga kaibigan. Dagdag pa niya, these things are necessary to attain stability, peace, order, and prosperity that our country and its citizens are longing for. Wow. He said he would meet them again sooner or later. Saan? Paano? With the help of loving and compassionate God. So, ang sabi niya, I love you all. Naalala niyo yung meme niya? Yung meme niya na nag-flying kiss siya. Wait lang, try natin hanapin. Wait lang, nasaan to? Hanapin natin, guys. Tingnan natin kung meron sa YouTube nung flying kiss niya. Rodante, Marcoleta, flying kiss. Maiksi yung article. So ito na napapakita natin. Ito, meron. Mute ko na lang. Ito ay video ng GMA News mga kaibigan. Let's watch this! Ayan mga kaibigan. Ito yung sa Camp Crame ata. And Sandigan Bayan. Ito yung nag-file siya. And ayun! May flying kiss! Kinilig yung cameraman. Kinilig yung cameraman. Na para bang no? So manood na lang tayo kay Ninong Ray. Nakita niyo naman yung next video no? Alam mo, tinong sinabi sa article Anyway mga kaibigan, ano po masasabi nyo sa post na iyan ni Marcoleta sa FB? Comment down below!